One of the main reasons why WordPress is very popular is the availability of themes, thousands of themes to help you quickly make a website without having to build it all from scratch. So in this lesson, we are going to learn how to install a WordPress theme and build your website quickly. A theme is what determines the look and feel or the appearance of your website. So you don't have to build all pages from scratch. So you can install a theme, import starter templates, and quickly edit the pages and make your website exactly what you want it to look like. So let's see how you can install a WordPress theme and customize it to take the look and feel of what you want. So log into your WordPress admin dashboard, point to appearance, and choose themes. So if you click on themes, you'll see a list of available default themes pre-installed. Remember, when you first set up your website, it comes with a default theme, right? This was the default theme that was installed on this website we created, but we're going to change it to a totally different theme and change the look and feel of the website. So from your WordPress admin dashboard, point to appearance and click themes. And on this page, click add new. So if you click add new, you'll be able to either upload a new theme that you bought from a third party marketplace or install from a list of the available themes in the WordPress repository. So for the purpose of this lesson, we are going to install a theme from the WordPress repository. There are thousands of themes in the WordPress repository, and one of the most popular themes in the WordPress repository is Astra. So in this lesson, we're going to learn how to install the Astra theme and quickly import a starter template to give our website a totally different look and feel. So from the themes repository, you're going to see lots of things. So you can scroll through them and choose anything that looks exactly like what you want. But let's go with Astra. The reason we're going with Astra is it is lightweight. It is lightweight. It loads very fast. And of course, you want your website to load very fast. And it is totally customizable. You can customize every part of this theme and make it look exactly how you want. And also, it is WooCommerce compatible. So if you want to build an online store, Astra is one of the most popular themes and most recommended themes to set up your online store. So all you need to do to install Astra theme is click install from your themes repository. So once you click install, it's going to take a few seconds to install the theme. The theme is installed. The next thing is to activate it. For the theme to be live on your website, you have to activate it. So click the activate button. So fantastic. So once you click activate button, you're going to see this message. The beauty of this Astra theme is there are hundreds of pre-built websites or what we call starter templates to enable you quickly import templates and just edit or customize them to look exactly how you want them to be. So the first thing you have to do after installing Astra theme is uh, click get started from this message that you see on the screen. So if you click on it, it's going to install the starter template plugin, which will enable you to import a ready-made template. Yeah, that plugin is being installed and activated. Good, that is done. So once that is done, it's going to take you to a screen which will enable you import your starter template. So to do that, you have to come to appearance and click starter template. So once you choose starter templates from appearance, you're going to be presented with this window. Click build your website. Now there are three default page builders. So you have the option to choose a page builder in which you want to build your website. So we are going with the block editor, which is the default WordPress page builder. So once you choose the block editor, you're going to see a list of the available themes. Some of them are premium, but for the majority of them, they are free to use. So you just have to go to one of the free templates, make sure you choose a template that is closest to what you want to build. You can click on any one of them to see the preview. You can click on any one of them to see any template that looks like what you want. If you don't like it, you can close it and go to the next one. So there are hundreds of templates and most of them are available for free. So let's go with one of these templates. Let's choose one of these templates so you can quickly learn how to import a template and build your website. Which one are we going to go with? Okay, fine. Let's go with this. Let's choose this template. So you just need to click on it. And from the next screen, you can start uploading your logo and customize your website. But we're not going into that now. You can skip all of this. We are coming back to that later in detail. So skip and continue. You can also choose a color palette and the typography, that is the font for your new website. But we are not going into all of that customizations from here. So let's just continue. We are coming back to that in the next lesson. So now you don't need to do anything else here. Just click submit and build my website. So that template you have chosen is going to be imported. And in just a few seconds, you will have a live website, which is totally different from the default website that was created when you first installed WordPress. Fantastic. Your website is fully installed. It's fully installed. So you can click view website to see how the newly imported website looks. Fantastic. You've just built a brand new website, which is very beautiful to look at. So that is how to install a theme and import starter templates for your website. So in the next lessons, we are going to look at how you can edit the individual pages of this website and make it look like your own, and also upload your own content and do other customizations. So see you in the next lessons.